So I got an exciting package in the mail today, and I almost missed it. For some reason, I didn't hear the doorbell, even though I swear I heard it just a few minutes before because there were some people knocking on my door selling things. But yeah, luckily I saw FedEx, the truck, outside the window and realized he was driving away if I didn't run out there and catch him. So I did, and I got this thing. I've been waiting for this package for a month. This is the exciting new Ohio model products Minute Micro Helicopter. It's a double brushless direct drive, new concept. OMP Hobby. I ordered a couple of these along with a bunch of extra parts. This one should be the blue color. Miami blue. I got a charm orange one coming. Yellow's nice too. I'm kind of colorblind, so fairly well packaged, just a single box. This thing just came out. Luckily, I got this just a couple days after it was first reviewed by our friend in China, Mr. Ali Shan Mao, who said that he thought this thing was pretty amazing. And I'll tell you, I like the idea of the direct drive. If I never have to buy another main gear, that'd be great. And of course, the separate dual brushless tail rotor helps as well with parts count and hopefully crash fixability. This thing has DFC rotor arms, so no ball links to worry about, and apparently they've got their own flybarless controller as well. I have to figure out if I can pair this with my Tyrannus X7S multi-protocol module, or if I maybe can use a separate receiver with S-Bus. Ooh, look at that. That's very pretty. I see a couple batteries in there with some XT30 connectors. Nice. Some extra parts, including a tail boom. Looks like a micro receiver. Maybe a couple of extra tail blades. Battery trays. Wow, they even give you extra main spindles and main shafts. Wow, I am highly impressed. This has some really stunning workmanship on it already. It's quite large when you compare it to the size of my other models. It's much larger and quite a bit heavier than something like, say for example, my 180 CFX, which is in a state of disrepair right now. And the same is true if we look at, maybe compare it with a K110, much larger, much heavier. Boy, and it's quiet. Completely silent. So that must be a really low kV motor, just kind of slow but torquey. It's got to have some torque. I can smell the paint on this model. Ooh, nice. And the canopy is not just plastic, it's actually made of fiberglass. Wow. Pretty stoked about this. A little bit of dirt on the controller there, but I like it. It's steel. It's aluminum. It's not plastic. Yeah, it needs to be cleaned. It really smells like the factory. All carbon fiber, very stiff, steel bottom brackets. We got no fewer than 3 batteries in this thing. Insane. And look at this, it's got a little battery removal button. This looks like it's very high quality. For an introductory price of $250, that's insane. This is really a great deal. Can't wait to get it outside and see how it flies. Alright, well, let me read some more about this and get done with my work break today, and then see if I can get it out into the field and do a test flight. That tail rotor has some magnetic properties to it, you can tell. Still smells like paint. You can tell they really pushed the burned the midnight oil to get these out. The battery, I believe it's a 3S650. Wow, that's really nice. 650, 11.1. That is great. 45C, not bad. Yeah, I am pretty impressed. Watch out, E-Flight. Your Blade 150S may not survive if they keep putting out models of this quality. Alright guys, well thank you for watching. I'm going to give you some more information about this model as I get it bind it up to my my transmitter, and then we'll go out and do some fly videos. Oh yeah, look at that, only 3 servos, because both motors are completely electronic. I mean, if you think about it, this has got to be where e-helis are going, just because the motor technology is so improved lately. All carbon fiber and aluminum. Nice.